Alright, so me and my homie are at, I'm about to find out, part of the Tennessee River it looks like. But just starting to get our lines wet, man. Still have the puppy with me. So you going with liver? Yeah, I'm gonna go with a night crawler then. Yeah, man, we gotta hit up the other spot tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wilson Dam.
Stripes.
Right.
Nightcrawler is always the guarantee.
Sometimes I've had skunk days with the night crawler.
Anything else?
Just I've been skunked, yeah, just completely. Where are you throwing yours?
I don't know.
Just out that way?
I think we should use ours in this range here.
Alright. I hope I don't hit a goose. Alright, so we're both going with, I think Charles is using liver, I'm going to be using a night crawler to start, and we're both going to be throwing some other soft plastics while these sit. This is day one of, I don't know how many for sure. Yeah, but at least two.
I put it inside. How are you?
Oh shit, I didn't realize I could do that. That is a smart man. There we go. How you doing?
How many fish have you caught so far?
Well, yesterday I caught 2 chicken.
Got two
Catfish?
chicken liver? Got catfish?
No?
You know what it was?
It was like a something head. I don't know.
That's good. You must be a professional fisherman.
I have a bait caster up there. I just didn't know.
Yeah, I'm thinking about going to get my spinner. My bait caster's not too bad, but...
Is he already on? Coming to school us?
Yeah. No pumpkin seed.
A red breast. No, yeah, you're right.
Little pumpkin seed.
On the liver? Wow. Oh. Oh, it's off. Dang. I was saying hit it on the way down. Oh. There we go. Alright, didn't get skunked. Told you, at least a bluegill. Alright, fish number 1 for me, tiny little bluegill. There we go. Woo! Nice one. There we go. Third fish. There's probably a little school right here.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Yep. You ate it? Oh, you ate it. You got pliers? Yeah. Shush. got a few fish. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Wilson Dam, but I'm gonna turn the camera off just due to light. So we will see you tomorrow. All right, so it is day 2 right now. We're gonna be doing some fishing at this dam right here. But hopefully we get into some fish. Charles wasn't able to catch anything yesterday, but I have a good feeling that he should be able to get on something here. Right now the dam's on and it's pushing out water, so hopefully we can get close enough to get in some action. We have the liver and earthworms with us still and some redworms, so got a little bit of faith that we'll have some success this morning. Feels like something's on here. But I don't feel fight. I feel weight though. Oh. Foul hook. First fish for me for the day. Foul hook panfish. Little bluegill. I don't know how that happened. There we go. And where we got green sunfish. Alright. Fish number 2 for me for the day, little green sunfish. Alright, so we were headed back to the camp to go ahead and get some food, and we're gonna go back to the dam, but on the way back we saw this spot that had looked pretty good, so we stopped to fish it for a while. So we're gonna use the same techniques. We're just gonna use some cut bait and basically our liver and earthworms, and then we're gonna just be fishing actively as well. But about to get rigged up and get in this. Hopefully we can get something. There's a bunch of dead gar, bowfin, and I can't remember what else, but there's a bunch of dead fish behind us. So hopefully this spot produces. Okay, so that didn't go as planned. It's super windy right now, so I'm not going to take my second camera, but I'm just going to take this GoPro. I'm about to walk down to the pier. We're back at the campgrounds, and I'm going to just do some vertical jigging for some panfish, I guess, or whatever's down there. But that's the only solution I have for right now. All right, so today is day 3. We are fishing at a dam this morning. I have a swim bait tied on. And I don't know exactly what Charles is throwing. I think he's throwing the same. There we go. Oh. Oh. No. Oh.
That was a beast. Whatever that was.
Golly, man. Golly. Oh. That was a. Yeah. Woo. Nice show, Cracker, man.